teaching math again. We're going to learn today about subtraction, and we're going to focus on the story, The Three Little Pigs. Right now, we're going to use some tangrams and make houses. So let's make some houses. Using a square on the bottom and a triangle on the top to make the roof. So how many houses were there for the three little pigs? 3, of course. So let's make 3. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing like I did last time, and I'm going to hide it. And you're going to try and remember how many shapes there were in our houses. How many houses were there? Think of that first. Now, how many squares were there? And how many triangles were there? Did you guess 3 for each? We've got 3 squares. 1, 2, 3. And then we've got 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. So all together, let's count how many shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we were going to represent this in adding, we would have 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. And then we have 3 squares. So let's count the squares. 1, 2, 3. So if you added them all together and counted them together, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we can also represent this on our fingers. Let's have our 3 triangles over here and our 3 squares over here, and then we add them together, and let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all together we have 6. We had the same number of triangles as we did for the bottom of the house. Okay, now let's go ahead and represent. Let's read the book first. The Three Little Pigs. One fine spring day, there were 3 little pigs that walked down the road. Each pig wanted a house of his own. A farmer with a wagon full of straw passed the pigs. "Wait," blinked the first little pig, "I will build a house of straw." So let's build a house of straw. Okay. So the farmer gave the pig some straw, and the first little pig built his house. 2 little pigs continued down the road. Each pig wanted a house of his own. Soon a man with a wagon full of sticks passed the pigs. "Wait," blinked the second little pig, "I will build a house of sticks." So let's build a house of sticks. Square with a triangle on top. So the man gave the pig some sticks, and the second little pig built his house. The last little pig kept walking. He wanted a house of his own. Finally he met a man with a load of bricks. "Wait," blinked the little pig, "I will build a strong house of bricks." So the builder gave the little pig some bricks, and the third little pig worked and worked. He built a strong house of bricks. So let's make that one red. you guys remember what happened. The next day, a hungry wolf knocked on the door of the first pig's house of straw. Knock, knock, knock. Little pig, let me come in, or I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in. Pig 1 hid under the chair. He shouted, "No, Mr. Wolf, I won't let you in, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin." The wolf began to blow. He huffed and he puffed and he blew the house in. The little pig ran away. So we have to take that one away. So how many? One was blown down. How many were left? 1, 2. Pig 1 ran to the house of Pig 2, and the 2 pigs locked the door. Now the wolf was very hungry, so he followed Pig 1. He knocked on the door of the stick house. Knock, knock, knock. Little pigs, let me come in, or I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in." Pig 1 and Pig 2 were hiding under the table. They shouted together, "No, Mr. Wolf, we won't let you in, not by the hair of our chinny chin chins." The hungry wolf began to blow. He huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house in. Pig 1, so that one is now knocked down, so let's take that one away. So that now would make 2 of them blown down and 1 left. The 3 pigs hurried inside the brick little house and locked the door. The wolf was very, very hungry now. He followed the 2 pigs and knocked on the door of the brick house. Knock, knock, knock. Little pigs, let me come in, or I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow this house in. The 3 little pigs hid under Pig 3's bed. They shouted, "No, Mr. Wolf, we won't let you in, not by the hair of our chinny chin chins." So the wolf began to blow. He huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed, but the little brick house was so strong and the wolf could not blow it down. The hungry wolf did not give up. He climbed into the top of the brick house. He looked down the chimney. Little pigs, I'm going to come in." The wolf started to climb down the chimney. Pig 3 heard the wolf on the roof and crawled out from under the bed and removed the lid from the big pot over the fire. Splash! The big bad wolf was landed in the boiling soup. Meow! He was so surprised that he climbed back up the chimney and ran away. And that was the end. And they lived happily ever after in the sturdy brick house. So in the end, there was 1 house left. So if we had 3 houses, 1, 2, 3, and we subtract 2 houses away, they were blown down, we had 1 house left. Let's also do it on our fingers. 3 houses, take 2 away, we have 1 left.